Hi.
Hello.
How's the experience? How's
It's been awesome. I actually have been writing films,
Wow.
poems.
हमारी भी
I've been writing poems in school and college actually, and I could actually relate to it because बहुत simple तरीके से लिखी गई है and बहुत relatable है, understandable है to a common person, and various emotions, like she's written very different kinds of poems on different emotions, and जो मुझे दी गई थी specifically that I felt that उन्होंने मुझको दिमाग में रख के फिर लिखी थी because I was actually going through all of that, yeah, it's beautiful and it's a great talent, I think, to be able to write emotions that well, that beautifully. Yeah, I loved it.
Same actually. We've known पूनम आंटी इतने टाइम से हम लोग उनको I am just stuck now. Okay. मैं पूनम आंटी को काफ़ी टाइम से जानती हूँ and obviously she was always the hotshot wife of Savas Joseph. But you know, I never thought she would write a book. But I'm so amazed at the stuff that she's written. You know, she was always well spoken and very graceful. But I never knew. Obviously, you don't know what talents somebody could have. So it's amazing. The book it's not like a flimsy thing, you know, it's a thick book with a lot of poems, a lot of sketches, so amazing. I just hope that everybody please go out there, buy a Soulful Seeker and you will not regret it.
अच्छा, कृति ने कहा कि वो लिखती है, उनको पसंद है, आपने भी कभी लिखा है या पसंद है आपको?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली मैं बोलने का काम करती हूँ मैं लिखती नहीं हूँ. मुझे मतलब ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग you know essays and stories as children always used to write, but I have no talent for writing at all. A book about what? Kriti will write. I will co-write with you.
Okay, done. Deal covered.
expect a book on your life? Like, what would you want to be that title of that book? Like anything of your book?
It's a very difficult question.
Work in progress.
What would you want?
I don't know about just being happy, positive, being strong. I think these are things which are very philosophical, but I genuinely believe in them. I try and be positive all the time. So about a book that would help people to just kind of go through their bad times, be positive and be happy always.
And actually, all of us in our journeys somewhere have those weak moments when we're about to kind of give up and then we don't.
Yeah.
So I think that probably could be inspiring.
Correct. I think all actors will like the same book.
Yeah.
We all have the same story.
अच्छा, कृति जी, आपने कहा था कि आप जल्दी अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे कोई ब्रेक बजट, आप बताएंगे? अब बहुत दिन हो गया है, वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, आप बार
आप बता ही नहीं रही हैं.
With your fitness stuff, so anything like that? Any book or any series like you
A book or CD? Oh my lord, no. I've always, battled with my weight, so it was very important for me to reach a certain fitness level in my own standard. But I'm still work in progress. I need a few more months to reach my ideal where I see myself.
Please don't manage. Huh?
Book and all. Like, you
Don't
cannot
manage.
talk anything right now. You cannot say anything. Look at this.
No, it's same now.
No comment.
बाकी भी आप लोग एक अवार्ड भी मिला था उसको लेकर आप तो काफी शौक थी कि हाँ मतलब and you also told कि I can act well but I cannot look.
I used to think that. Well, no, in the first couple of years, the kind of films that I did were not out and out glamorous roles, you know. They were more performance oriented in small towns. So I never thought that a glamorous image would ever be attached to me. I don't think it's attached even today, but it's nice to be able to see that if I am making efforts in my style choices or my fashion choices or my interest in fashion, if that is being appreciated, it's very important for me because it was an aspect of my life that I never explored. So I'm happy, some people are just born fashionable and some people just know what to wear for their body. But I've learned it over time. So I'm glad that, I got awarded for it because that will motivate me.
कृति, आपके ऊपर एक और जिम्मेदारी बढ़ गई है, मुंबई हीरोज का भी प्रमोशन करना है आप.
मुझे लग रहा था पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हो आप.
तो
Yeah.
किस तरह से प्लान आउट करेंगे, क्योंकि काफी बड़े बड़े चेहरे रह चुके हैं, आपने हुमा को रिप्लेस किया है और
So I don't like this word
language, I
replace.
hate
This is not. I think every year they've taken a new brand ambassador. That's what I know. And मैंने actually इस साल decide किया है कि मैं बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें करूँगी जो मैंने नहीं करी हैं. And I've not really been into sports. much, but yeah, I'm glad to be associated with Mumbai Heroes and a part of CCL. And I'm looking forward to watching a lot of really nice games and cheering for my team.
It's too much fun. I did it for football last year as well.
वही कि recently सैलरी पिक्चर्स आए हैं किस तरह का एक सवाल देख सकते हैं परफॉर्मेंस
हम लोग आज शाम को आए हैं एंड एज ऑफ नाउ आई थिंक सिर्फ मैं हूँ जो जागी हुई है, सब लोग सो रहे हैं इस टाइम सारे एक्टर्स, क्योंकि हम लोग पूरी रात हम लोग सोए नहीं. हमने रात को 10 बजे पार्टी शुरू की कल रात को एंड आज सुबह 12 बजे तक हम लोग पार्टी कर रहे थे, तो कोई भी नहीं सोया है. So it was that much fun. Imagine there was Saif, Kareena, me, Arjun, Ranveer, Ayushman, Sonakshi, Badshah.
I've
We
seen
were all
pictures.
there. It was too cool. I can't tell you. It was like this family, this college group who was going out and we partied and we had fun and we performed and we cheered for each other. We were backstage all the time. We were chilling, eating together. So it was like a great trip. We all flew in together. We were flying charters. So it was even more intimate, and all of us just had so much fun. I went last year also, so I'm looking forward to going next year.
You're looking very jealous, huh?
Are you jealous? You should be jealous.
any comments on Bajirao doing better than Diwali?
Are you commenting or you want me to comment?
Any comment on that? Like, would you want to comment on that?
No, I really don't know. Yeah, I'm actually tired of this hearing of this comparison. I think both the films were made for different audiences, and they've done well in those different audiences. And yeah, I'm glad that दो इतनी बड़ी बजट की फिल्में एक डेट पे आके भी दोनों ने काफी पैसे कमा लिए. So that's a big deal, and I'm happy it's happened like that. Yeah.
But any future projects we can hear about?
La 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 la. Okay, Kriti, what about you?
जो अवार्ड जीता था यूएस में, आपको लगता है आपके लिए स्टैंडर्ड बनाए जा रहे हैं?
मेरी बहन ने हाँ
तो आपके लिए खास सिस्टर आपके लिए एक लेवल बढ़ता जा रहा है, कंपैरिजन होता है कि आप एक सिस्टर ने इतना किया है तो दूसरी सिस्टर भी करेंगे, आपके लिए कंपटीशन और बढ़ जा रहा है.
आई मीन वो मुझसे
Don't
10-12 साल आगे हैं करियर में, एज नहीं बोले 10-12 साल करियर में आगे हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी हैज़ बीन वर्किंग फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स दैट राइट नाउ शी इज़ एट हर utmost topmost form and she's doing so well. And यहाँ पर ही नहीं, अभी बाजीराव रिलीज हुई and of course she was appreciated, the film was appreciated, and then वहाँ पर क्वांटिको करने में वहाँ awards, मतलब it's something that I don't think any actor in India has achieved the kind of success that she's achieved there. To have a show in your name, I don't think that I can belittle it by calling it a comparison, because I can only learn from her. I can't compare myself to her, and I hope that you guys don't, because there is no comparison.
It's actually inspiring for all of us.
Yeah, all of us. I'm
Yeah.
sure, not only me. As a sister, of course, I feel like, oh my God, wow, what an achievement, and I'm proud of my sister. But as an actor, I get inspired that, oh my God, there's this actor who's doing so well, and I also want to do as well as her. So it's only inspiring. Nothing else. Yeah, we keep getting stuff to do together, but just something's not working out. But the day we get that perfect script, we'll definitely work together. I would love to work with her.
आप